How to import audio inside CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up CapCut on a device. Now wait for the app to open. Now simply tap on new project. Now select the video or photo and click on add. Now at the bottom menu, simply tap on audio. Now tap on sounds. Now select files app and tap on device. Now give the permissions. Again tap on device. Now next to the audio, simply tap on the plus icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.